Hi, so today we'll be making tortilla pizza with veggies, but first we're going to shuck some corn. Now, when it comes to shucking corn, you want to peel all of the skin off, so you don't need any of that in your pizza. Now, if you're in an area or it's a time of year where you can't find fresh corn, canned corn is fine just for this recipe. Take that off, and we will discard of all of this. Now, you have your corn. You want to place it on your cutting board and get rid of any of the fibers here. You want to take your chef knife. You want to place the corn right in the middle and have your hand firmly at the top, just holding it on the side. And you want to hold the chef knife like this, pinching it, and you can just go ahead and gently go down. And then you're just going to go around, gently cutting it until you get all the kernels off. And it may get everywhere, but that's fine. And now that you've shucked your corn, you have all the corn you need for your pizza, and we'll move on. So now that we've shucked our corn, we're going to make our tortilla pizza with veggies. And then we've lined it with parchment paper on the tray before it goes in the oven. Now this helps to make sure that the pizza doesn't stick when it's ready. But if you don't have parchment paper, you can use non-stick spray, and that'll do the same job for you. So first, we're going to take our tomato paste and add diced tomatoes in there. And then you just want to stir until it forms a thick consistency with the tomato and paste. Now this will be the base of our pizza, so you want to make sure everything is well combined. And once you have that thick paste all together, you want to add your red pepper flakes and some oregano. And if you can't find fresh oregano, you can also use dried. Now, once all of that has been incorporated together, you can move on to your tortilla. And we're using flour tortillas. You can just put some on your pizza. And then just spread it all around. And just like any pizza, you can spread it, but leave some space around. That will be your crust. Now, we're gonna sprinkle some corn on here. Some sauteed spinach. And make sure that you distribute all of it evenly, that way it cooks evenly. Add your shredded mozzarella cheese. And if you're a big cheese fan like I am, you can use the whole thing. And then we have some zucchini and squash you can add. And there you go, we have our veggie pizza, and we're gonna place this in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. We have a pizza already ready for us in the oven, so we're going to take that out. And then you wanna cut your pizza into triangles. So we're gonna cut it into 4 pieces with our pizza cutter. Put that to the side. We'll take our plate and put it on the plate like so. And there you go. We have a tortilla pizza with veggies, quick and easy to make.